People of Jamaica, who is working for us and who is getting paid to do nothing? Tonight, we're talking about the Office of the Public Defender, a taxpayer-funded post that, by rights, should defend your liberties. Instead, as Andre Stevens exposed on PDTv, it feels missing in action while millions of our dollars keep flowing. I will bring you the facts, the questions, and the call for answers. Listen, the Public Defender's Office exists to stand between the citizen and the heavy hand of the state. It was set up to investigate maladministration and protect constitutional rights. But here's the problem. Too many Jamaicans don't even know the office exists, and when civic watchdogs and journalists try to hold it up to the light, there's silence. Andre Stevens put the spotlight on this in his recent segment. He asked why an office funded by our taxes appears invisible to the people it is meant to serve. That silence is unacceptable. Think about it. While ordinary Jamaicans wait in long police lines, deal with questionable arrests, and cry out for accountability, the institution meant to be a champion for the little man is not showing up where it counts. Is it a communication failure, a resourcing problem, or something worse, complacency at the top? Those are the questions Stevens raised, and they are questions every member of parliament, every journalist, and every citizen should demand answers to. We are not calling for witch hunts. We are calling for transparency. If the public defender is doing the work, show the cases, show the reports, show the community outreach, publish the caseload numbers, the results, how many investigations were opened and resolved. If it's not being done, then why is the office still drawing sizable public funds? The people deserve clarity. Public service must be public, visible, accountable, and measurable. So here's what I want you to do. Share this video, tag your MP, tag the Auditor General, and demand the annual report be tabled and discussed in Parliament. If the Public Defender's Office is working for you, let them prove it. If they are not, it's time to fix it or replace it. We will keep the pressure on until Jamaicans get the accountability our taxes demand. Stay loud, stay watchful, and keep me in your corner. Subscribe for the real talk, share it wide, and remember, accountability is how we protect Jamaica. My truth, no compromise. Big up yourself.